Continue. At which point of the story should one confess? Okay, an individual confesses after the Amidah. 78. There is after reciting the final blessing, but before taking the 3 steps back. But that mark the departure from position of the prayer. So this Amidah is very, very long. Like it's unusually long, and repetition of what Chazan does is very, very long, and maybe an hour. I don't know, maybe I think, right? And our confession is a part of the Amidah. So, like you would say, okay, why am I saying this? Maybe I should take the 3 steps back. No, they say no. You're on the right place. Just wait until the proper time. So one more time, an individual confesses after the Amidah and Chazan. So Chazan is a leader, called Shliach Tzibur also. Chazan confesses in the midst of the Amidah. So we are at the end of the Amidah, he in the middle of the Amidah, 79. Joined by the congregation. So since in the middle of the Amidah, not his personal Amidah, all of the Amidah that we say, right, personally, I say exactly what he says. But after we finish all of the saying Amidah, Shmona Esrei, right? So he started the repetition of Shmona Esrei. And that's when he says, and we also say this confession another time. So Chazan confesses in the midst of the Amidah in the 4th blessing, number 80. Commentary. The Amidah of the Shabbos and festival includes 7 blessings. Right? So we said 7 blessings. As we learned in our Kitzur Shulchan Aruch class, the first blessing, the first 3 and last 3 always the same. Right? What changes is the middle part. So in the middle, on Shabbos and Yom Tov, they take out all of this middle, like our request for physical things, and they substitute with the theme of the day. That's why there's only 7 blessings. Okay. The first and the final 3 blessings of praise decided each day, while the 4th blessing is devoted to the theme of the day. So that's why when this Chazan does this repentance. Accordingly, it is appropriate to recite the confession. I said repentance confessions. Confession in this point in the story. See Hilchot Teshuvah 2:7. Okay, number 80. So let me check time. Okay, so we have time. So let's. Any questions on what we said? Because
about the Amidah. How to wait? How many steps? And that part, I am not clear about that. The confession.
No, you're asking in general, right? I mean, because they're all in general. So you're taking 3 steps back.
Yes.
So you start from a left foot. So you do 1 step, then 2nd, right? And then 3rd, that's it. That's how you make 3 steps back. You say, "Oh, say Shalom B'Ramam, Hu Yaseh Shalom Aleinu, V'al Kol Yisrael V'Nomen." So just follow in a siddur. They should have the commentary.
But the confession is there. Yom Kippur.
No. What's up? Confession is in the 4th prayer, in the 4th blessing. So we say 3 blessings, then we say confession. Let's say this. We're talking about Yom Kippur. We say confession. You say all other things that we say on Yom Kippur, and then you say regular 3 last blessings as we say always. And then like you say these 3 last blessings, and continue as usually you do during the week. You understand? So that part does not change. But what I was referring to, that since like a person would he would on a normal weekdays, right? He would expect to finish, I don't know, maybe in 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, but this is like a never ending. You understand? So my advice, just stay in the same place until you get to this words, and until you in your Magzor you see instruction. Now you're taking 3 steps back because it's unusually long. Okay.